Tension is escalating in Epworth as residents association take on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's presidential title deeds program, lodging a fresh appeal to the High Court after their first application was dismissed for procedural lapses. Sabina mashoko buda panguva inozvinzi our residents versus Mnangagwa controversy over Epworth title deeds intensifies. Nobo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamobuda nikamchinzi the Kushinka Sinamane Development Fund has filed the new appeal, which is scheduled to be heard before Justice Musito at the High Court in Harare on Thursday. Part of the appeal states, take notice that the above ordinary chamber application will be heard and determined by the High Court of Zimbabwe at Harare before Honorable Justice Musito on Thursday, the 9th of October 2025 at 10 a.m. or soon thereafter, as counsel may be heard. The first application by the Residents Association was struck off after they failed to address a court query on the High Court ruled. In terms of Rule 6016 of the High Court Rules 2021, they were supposed to rectify the query on or before Wednesday, the 16th of day of October 2024. We note that the query was not rectified. In terms of Rule 6017 of the High Court Rules 2021, the matter is hereby dismissed. Should you be aggrieved by the decision, you will find recourse in the rules of the court. The Airport Local Board is accused the association, Rushinka Airport Residents Trust and Airport Urban Residential Association of undermining the Presidential Title Deeds program, which aims to secure property rights for homeowners in previously informal settlements. Officials allege that the association misled the residents, spreading false information about layout plans and instructing them not to comply with the government regulations, which allow one residential stand per individual. Airport Local Authority Housing Director Mr. Dennis Morandori said the associations have been sponsoring court challenges and using threats against officials to derail the program. They are dubious residents associations who are allegedly defrauding residents of their hard-earned money, promising that regularization will be reversed. Morandori said. Ndomashoko aripo panguva ine kuchanwa kunzi aiwa vakomana voendeswa kumakotsi panguva ine nokujuta macitizens. Pana kumasection medu nzi mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.